Hello friends, welcome to my channel Info Elias. In this video, I will show you how we can move multiple users with their some certain conditions in a specific organizational units from various organizational units in your Active Directory. Suppose if you have more than 10 or 15 organizational units and these all organizational units having some of the objects including users and computers. Now you just want to move all users which are sharing some common attributes like department. So we just want to move the users where departments are common like marketing. So if the users having the department marketing, so these all users needs to be moved inside the marketing organizational units in your Active Directory. So there are the two methods that you can follow to moving the users from multiple organizational unit to a specific organizational unit. Either you can use the manual method. You will go on the users and you will check their departments, and then you will just right click on the user, and then you will move the users and you will select the destination where you just want to move the user. So but this is very difficult when you have more than 500 users in multiple organizational unit. So the best idea is that you can just use the second approach, that is PowerShell script. This PowerShell script will help us to search the users from various organizational units, and then it will move the users inside the target organizational unit. So first the PowerShell script will check the users whether this is enabled, and also this will check if department is common for all users, then only this will move the users. Now I'm going to open the PowerShell script which I just tested previously. So I will open inside the PowerShell ISE, run as administrator. I'm going to open the PowerShell script. This is user movement with condition. Previously we just created a PowerShell script and uploaded the script on the YouTube, and this and the earlier script was just used to move the computers with their conditions in a specific organizational unit. Now we are just focusing on the user movement. So I'm going to open the PowerShell script, that is user movement with condition. Now just see the first line. This is import -module Active Directory. So basically this command is importing the Active Directory module, and the next is a variable that is $targetOU. So this variable is storing the location where users will be moved on the conditions which is specified over here. So this is the complete path of the organizational unit, that is marketing. And next there is another variable that is $users, and this $users, it is just storing via the command that is Get-ADUser Filter department equal to marketing, and also this will check whether the account is enabled or disabled. So this is just storing the details using this command inside the $users variable over here. Next we are using a for each loop, and this for each loop is just using to checking the distinguished name of the user, and then it's using a Move-ADObject identity user DN and target path, and this is the variable where this will store the this will just move the users in your Control Z in your target organizational unit. Once this will just moved, this will prompt a message successfully moved user and the username which has just moved inside the targetOU. And if it has failed, so this will prompt a message failed to move user same account name inside the catch. So try and catch is just using to moving the users and prompting the message over here. So we'll see. I will just execute this PowerShell script. Now you can see there are some users which have been moved successfully inside the marketing OU. So we'll go on there. Currently this is showing still inside the the test users, but I will just refresh this Active Directory page and we'll see. Now we'll go on the test users. Now this is blanked. Previously users were just exist inside the test user OU. Now we'll go on the marketing OU. You can see there are the 4 users which have been moved successfully. Similarly, we'll go on some other users for checking the status. Now in the test user 6, if we go on the properties organization, so organization is blank, so this has not moved because the department condition is not matching over here. Similarly, if we'll go on the test user 5 and we'll check the department, still it's not matching their department. So there are the 2 conditions which we are just checking. First is department equal to marketing and user must be enabled. So this is the PowerShell method that you can use to moving multiple users with certain conditions. If you want to change the conditions, so you can change the conditions here over Get-ADUser Filter command. I'm showing you. Suppose if you just want to change the conditions, so what you can do, whether if you want to move all users where manager is common for multiple users, so you can select you can change the PowerShell script over here. Similarly, if you want to change the on the city basis, so you will go on the users and you can check the location inside the address. All users, suppose a users is a part of like New York, and so you need to change over here like city equal to New York, so the users which belongs to New York City, so users will be moved inside the OU whatever that you want. So you need to just modify the script as per your requirement whenever you just want to execute inside your infrastructure. If you just want to check, or if you just want to see similar kind of PowerShell script, so you can visit my blog website, that is infoelias.com, and here you can see PowerShell scripts are written inside the PowerShell tab over here. There are the multiple PowerShell scripts we just created, and this will be very helpful for your organization. Thank you for watching this video.